Welcome to iDispatch 24/7. I am here to help you decide whether dispatching is right for you. Today we will go over ELDs or electronic logging devices. Please like and subscribe if you find any of this a little helpful. The trucking industry is constantly evolving and adapting to new technologies to improve safety and efficiency on the roads. One of the most recent developments is the use of electronic logging devices in trucks. ELDs are small electronic devices that are installed in the cab of a truck. They automatically record the truck's driving hours, location, and other information, and provide real-time data on the truck's performance. ELDs provide a more accurate and reliable way of tracking a trucker's hours of service, compared to traditional paper logbooks. One of the most important aspects of ELDs is their ability to help truckers comply with hours of service regulations. ELDs automatically record a trucker's driving and on-duty time, and they provide real-time alerts to remind the trucker to take a break when necessary. ELDs also provide a tamper-proof record of a trucker's hours of service, which helps to ensure compliance with regulations. This makes it more difficult for truckers to falsify their logbooks and also makes it easier for safety officials to monitor compliance. ELDs work by automatically tracking the truck's engine hours, and they are connected to the vehicle's engine control module. They also use GPS technology to track the truck's location and provide real-time information on the truck's performance. All of this helps to prevent fatigue-related accidents, and ensures that truckers are getting the proper amount of rest. Not only do they help truckers stay alert on the road, but they also provide valuable data for fleet managers to improve their operations. Fleet managers can access this data to track the truck's performance, analyze the data to improve routes and fuel efficiency, and also monitor compliance with hours of service regulations. The use of ELDs in the trucking industry is a positive development that helps to improve safety and efficiency on the roads. With the implementation of ELDs, the trucking industry is taking a step forward in ensuring the safety of all road users. Thank you for considering this profession and for watching this video. We hope that it has provided you with a better understanding of the role of a truck dispatcher and the skills required to excel in this profession. Important note: ELDs are mandatory for most commercial vehicles since December 2017, according to FMCSA regulations. It's always a good idea to consult the FMCSA guidelines for updated information.